Hello everyone, welcome back to my smoke project, and today I'm going to be cleaning out my smoke detector. So first of all, we're going to clean out this smoke alarm. So I'm going to clean it out now. You need to blow gently so you don't get any spit in it. So yeah, let's move on to the next. So here's my another status. So I'm going to clean this out. Every month I'm cleaning these out, so yeah.
You never cleaned these right before?
I did. Last month.
Oh, I never saw you. Well, you can look at some muscle next time.
So this one's cleaned out now, so let's put it back up on the ceiling.
I'm gonna fall.
So yeah, let's move on to the next one. So here's my accents. So yeah, in the middle there you can see sensor, so I'm going to blow it out. So yeah, I just cleaned this out now. Now there we go. So that's going to be the end of the video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Bye!